Today, I'll show you how to design newsletters in Klaviyo. Crafting an engaging newsletter is essential for maintaining customer interest and ensuring your message is both seen and understood. Klaviyo is a fantastic tool for this, offering a range of features to help you design beautiful newsletters that stand out. To begin, before adding any content to your newsletter, you'll want to click on the Styles tab located on the left side of your screen. This is where you can set the overall aesthetic for your newsletter. Start by choosing a clean, white background. This choice not only keeps your design looking crisp and professional, but also ensures that your content is easy to read. Next, select the standard brand fonts that best represent your business. Consistency with your brand's visual identity is crucial here, as it helps reinforce recognition and trust among your subscribers. For the body text, aim for a size between 14 and 16 pixels. This range is optimal for readability, especially on mobile devices where screen space is limited. Now, let's add some visual elements to your newsletter. Drag an image block to the very top of the layout for your logo. Your logo is a key part of your brand identity, so it's important to include it prominently. However, be mindful of its size, keep it small, ideally between 150 and 250 pixels wide. This ensures it doesn't take up too much space and push your actual newsletter content further down the screen. You want your subscribers to see your message as soon as they open the email, without having to scroll unnecessarily. Once your logo is in place, you can start adding blocks for the main content. Klaviyo allows you to drag and drop various types of content blocks, such as text, images, buttons, and more. Think about the structure of your newsletter and the flow of information. Typically, a newsletter might start with a welcoming message or headline, followed by the main content, which could be articles, special offers, or updates about your business. Be sure to break up large chunks of text with images or buttons to keep the layout engaging and visually appealing. As you build your newsletter, keep your audience in mind. Consider what information is most important to them and how you can present it in a way that captures their interest. Use headings and subheadings to organize content logically, and don't forget to include call-to-action buttons that encourage your readers to take the next step, whether it's visiting your website, checking out a special offer, or following you on social media. Before finalizing your design, preview your newsletter to see how it looks on different devices. Klaviyo provides a preview feature that lets you view your design as it would appear on both desktops and mobile devices. This step is crucial, as a large percentage of your audience will likely view your email on their phones. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure your newsletter is responsive and looks great across all platforms. And there you have it. You now know how to design newsletters in Klaviyo. By choosing the right styles, strategically placing your logo, and thoughtfully organizing your content, you can create newsletters that not only look great, but also effectively communicate your message to your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.